Blocks are parametrized model components which can be imported to multiple projects. The block manager encompasses all pre-installed and customized blocks. How do you create a new block? The first step includes creating a parametrized model which you frequently use. Select all relevant objects and save this selection as a block. Name this block and assign it to a category. You can also save load cases and combinations during this step. For this example, we insert a set of stairs into a steel structure. Use Insert Block to select the previously saved block. After selecting the block, the input dialog box opens to define the materials, cross-sections and parameters which were available in the initial stair model. Define the location to insert the stairs in the structure. Then, adjust the parameters to your current project. The preview window allows you to view your input before finalizing. If you are inserting user-defined blocks, you can also import loads and combinations into your model. You can set specific import settings in the Detail Settings dialog box. Also define which loads should be imported to the model. For these stairs, only permanent and variable loads are selected for import. After confirming with OK, the stairs are imported into the structure. If you have selected the option Create Named Partial View in the Detail Settings, you can easily identify the blocks in the model after import.